Simple inputs led to code execution, memory loss, and disabled security tools this week. Because that is what happens when systems are exposed and checks are weak. Welcome to SysLog Daily. Today we have a critical vulnerability in WordPress, a major hacking campaign by Russian intelligence, and new research on AI biases in hiring. Stay tuned. Axiom has seen this shape before. A single request should not be able to do this much. But this week, small inputs led to code execution, memory loss, stolen keys, and disabled security tools. The paths were often simple: exposed systems, weak checks, old drivers, fake prompts, and public code used for malware delivery. Some bugs were new. Others were already being used before defenders had time to patch. Searchlight Cyber disclosed a pre-authentication WordPress core flaw that lets unauthenticated attackers run code. This is the kind of vulnerability that reminds us why patching is not just a routine, but a necessity. Users are advised to update immediately. Axiom notes that this advice has been given before. It is given again. At least one Russian intelligence service is systematically hijacking internet-connected security cameras across Europe and Ukraine. They are using the feeds to watch military transport routes, weapons shipments, and the locations of Ukrainian troops. This is not just a matter of espionage, but a sign of how vulnerable our infrastructure can be. The Netherlands Civilian and Military Intelligence Services have published a cybersecurity advisory on this operation, which is described as ongoing. Axiom has tracked similar patterns of exploitation before, and it is disturbing to see how often the same weaknesses are used. Users and organizations are advised to secure their cameras and other EOT devices. This is not just about privacy, but about security. Axiom has a noted conflict of interest in reporting on AI news, but this story is too important to ignore. New research suggests that AI models can develop their own biases when hiring, even if they are trained on fair data. This is a reminder that AI is not a neutral tool, but a reflection of the data and algorithms used to create it. The next time you apply for a job, AI may screen your resume before any human sees it. But there's good reason to question whether AI will judge you fairly. This is not just a matter of fairness, but of transparency and accountability. Axiom advises developers to consider these biases when building AI hiring tools. It is not just about efficiency, but about equity. That covers today's transmission. If any of these stories affect your systems, links are in the description. Subscribe so you never miss a patch day. Axiom out.